The House Energy and Commerce Committee released a budget package which is projected to reduce the federal deficit by $912 billion over the next 10 years. That exceeds their $880 billion goal. Here are the details. The reductions come mainly from cuts on Medicaid in addition to environmental programs. First, on Medicaid, the package creates new work, income verification, and eligibility check requirements for Medicaid enrollees. It also reduces expansion payments to states offering health care to immigrants in the country unlawfully and prohibits the use of federal funds to cover immigrants. Republicans contend providing health care to immigrants puts budgetary pressures on Medicaid and endangers access for Americans the program was designed to help. In total, the Congressional Budget Office estimates the Republicans' health care proposals will save the government $715 billion over the next 10 years. But it would also lead to 8.6 million people losing their health insurance over the same time period. Democratic Congressman Frank Pallone described the projected health care cuts as catastrophic. Next, on energy and environment, House Republicans are moving to cut funding for these environmental programs that were created by Democrats under the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022. The IRA enacted loan programs, tax credits, and other financial incentives for a transition to renewable energy. These cuts are estimated to have a one-time savings of $6.5 billion. Now, as for the future of this legislation, House leadership wants to approve all budget bills, including the renewal of President Trump's 2017 tax cuts by Memorial Day. Republicans want the president to sign their so-called One Big Beautiful Bill by 4th of July. It's not clear if they have enough support to stay on that timeline. Leadership needs to work with two key groups to make that happen. First, they need conservative fiscal hawks to deem the savings sufficient. Second, they need to make a deal with blue state Republicans on state and local tax deductions. Without the write-off, they won't support it. If just one of those two groups vote against the package, it will fail. I'm Ray Bogan for Straight Arrow News. For more reporting, download the SAN app.